Hey y'all, so I'm at the Chinese market. If you in Philly, then the one I'm at is Adams Avenue. I don't know what it's called. It's Asian because we're going to do Tasting Tuesdays. I gotta pick something new. I ain't gonna have y'all in here fooling around buying some bullshit. So we gonna see what I'm gonna pick up. I'm gonna show y'all what they got, and we gonna check it out. This market is all that, and most of the stuff is way cheaper than the market. So even the produce market is crazy. Let me show you plants the last time these turned out good. But okay, I bought these banana flowers the last time, and then I let it go bad. I ain't get around to making it, so I'm gonna buy that again too. Alright, we're gonna get that. Y'all see that? That's called a banana flower. I looked it up. It looked like, alright, we got these king oyster mushrooms. I'm going to get one of those. And that's all the different mushrooms they have. Fresh oyster, fresh mushrooms, champignons. What are these called? Enoki mushrooms. See, I tried these last time. These were pretty good and interesting. And then we have these fresh oyster mushrooms here. Alright y'all, I'm gonna try these pears. They call Yali pears. They two packages for $2.50. I'm gonna get 6 pears. I never had them. I don't know. I hope they sweet. Chinese eggplant. This the long one, y'all. This not new to me, but we're gonna do a stuffed eggplant with those, so I need them. So I figure I'll show them to y'all now anyway. And they only 99 cents. Got the white onions and the yellow ones. I'm gonna just cook with them and saute them. The yellow ones tend to be sweeter. The white ones got a more pungent flavor. I don't care. The yellow ones is 48 cents a pound. The white ones 99 cents a pound. So I'm gonna get the yellow ones because, you know, I like to get, I don't know what's in season, but I get what's cheap shit. You know, you right got time to be blowing the whole budget on food every month and everything like that. So yellow ones it is. All right, one thing I'm noticing about the Chinese market, they don't do a good, like, you know, they planogram whoever's supposed to be on freshness, they ain't on it, because a whole lot of this shit got a date that done passed already. I had to dig through to find me some mushrooms. One whole pack of mushrooms was still good to the end of the week. The rest was expiring today or already last week. Child, so y'all be careful at the Chinese market or Asian market. I don't know what's correct to say. It don't matter. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So anyway, I'm gonna show you for example. I'm over here at the shallots. I'm gonna pick me out a bag of shallots for $1.49 for this big ass bag of shallots. Now anybody that know about shallots know they ain't cheap. You be done got 3 or 4 in a damn pack at the produce market for $2. This is cheap as shit. This whole ass bag. But then they got them loose for $1.49 a pound. Why? Why they got to be like that? Why they got to be looking like that? Who buying that? Who am I buy that? I don't give a damn if these is free. These ain't no good. Careful out here at the damn. Better be careful. Check these dates and shit. That don't make no damn sense. Look at these melons, y'all, in this bin. They want some 50 cents. They ought to be free. I still don't want them. I'm gonna feed them to the pigs. That's some bullshit. Anyway, you get some good finds and you get some finds. They might give you salmonella. Be careful out there, y'all. I don't know. I done found this new type of coconut I've never seen before. But let me show you. I'm not sure if it's a new type of coconut. They go to regular looking old brown ones, I tell you, or whatever. This somewhere between, this something like a cross between a young coconut and an old coconut. I'm not sure if this is like a new kind of coconut I never seen before, or if they just old and moldy. I don't know. But these cost $2.49 each. And the ones that I'm used to, the ones that look like they not old and moldy, $1.99. I'm gonna assume these not old and moldy. Ooh, I'm gonna get one and hope for the best. Me and my mom on this nutty mission. We bringing all the breadfruit. We want to try it. It's $1.99 a pound, and we don't want to pay that much because we don't know what it tastes like. We can't be paying $6 for some fruit that's nasty as fuck. I don't know, but maybe we get it and go half on that. We gonna see what it's like. Breadfruit too. Look at this. It say rice cake sliced. It just say rice cake. I don't know what that is. I don't know what to do with it. Somebody gotta help me. Somebody write me a comment. Tell me what I'm using these rice cake slices for. Them rice cake peanut rolls look kind of like cheese puffs. I don't know what what to do with them. I need help. Maybe somebody out there watching know what they are and know how to use them. Help me out.